Another question is, the equation of a surface of revolution z is equal to plus or minus root 3 by 2 x square plus 3 by 2 y square. The unit vector normal to the surface at the point A of root 2 by 3 0 1 is, right? So the surface revolution means that particular surface equation is given, right? We want a unit normal vector to this particular surface at this point we require, right? So let me copy again this problem, right? Now look here, what is the surface equation we seen? That is z is equal to, right? So I can square this to remove the root, right? 3 by 2 x square plus 3 by 2 y square. Now I can write this as, so the surface equation is phi is equal to 3 by 2 x square plus 3 by 2 y square minus z square, right? So this is the surface equation corresponding to this expression, right? Now what is normal vector? If surface equation is given, what is the normal vector? We studied for any surface, suppose you take a surface, right? The normal vector is representing gradient phi. Gradient phi has the direction of normal to the surface. So what we have to take to find the unit vector along this gradient phi, you have to solve gradient phi divided by mod del phi. This is the unit vector. How you calculate gradient phi? Gradient phi is equal to I cap dou by dou x of this function, right? I cap dou by dou x of, then I cap into this one differentiation 3 by 2 into 2x plus j cap into dou by dou y of 3 by 2 y square, that is 3 by 2 into 2y minus, right, z square, that is k cap into dou by dou z of z square, right? Alright, this is the expression, alright. Now substitute these values. What is gradient phi? 2 cancel, 2 cancel. Now you can here dou by dou z of z square we can give us 2z, alright. So what is gradient phi is equal to 3x I cap plus 3y j cap minus 2z k cap, alright. Then at this point we require, then what we do? We give 3 root 2 by 3, right, I cap plus 3, what is y coordinate? 0, j cap, what is z coordinate? Minus 1, 2 into z is 1, that means 2k cap, right? Alright, so this is, and to find the modulus we have to divide, right? So first of all we can simplify this, then this is root 6 I cap minus 2k cap. So dividing by modulus, root 6 square is what? Right, root 6, here root 3, then root 6. So root 6 into 6 plus 4, that is root 10, alright. So this you may write as 3 by root 5, right, root 3 by 5 I cap minus 2 by root 10 j cap, right? Correct. Option B is correct, right? Remaining here plus, here also plus, here also plus, right? So this is the option. Option B is the correct answer, alright. Now let us go to another problem.